Oh, shit.
This is bad.
Obstacle course.
Got in there.
Dobby, what the fuck?
Not on the elevator. Go.
No! No! Hey! Hey! Kennel.
Like animals, okay?
Blue.
Go. Get it. You wanna go on a walk? You wanna go on a walk? You wanna go to... Oi! Oi!
Oh, that's okay.
Come on.
Ready, boy?
Samantha. Sorry.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. Do you have any idea how...
Get out.
Whisper. Good job, whisper. Whisper. Good job. That's not a whisper. You have to whisper.
Nope. You whisper bark. You go woof. Yeah, like that. Woof. Good job. That's a better one.
Can you protect me more quietly?
That's opposite, no. Whisper.
Speak! Good girl. Whisper.
Oh. Shh. No. No. Yes.
Yeah, whisper.
Oh.
Whisper. Whisper.
I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato.
Don't tooth this time. You whisper. Quiet speak. Quiet speak. Good girl. Quiet speak.
So don't look up here. Bean. Sometimes. Oh.
It's official. Oh.
Cat butt.
This motherfucker just ate my pizza.
What do I guess?
He's not overeating. I know that. Look at.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a stairs.
That's not open to...
Totally because God in some way.
Meow.
Oh.
It's not that serious. Should be fun. Ow.
Let's take a look. Yes, yes. Very sophisticated. Couldn't agree more. Let me try pushing that button on the right a couple more times.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, excellent idea, Sid.
Yes.
Good. Maybe this. Oh no.
Здрасте, у меня 24 баночки получилось.
Oh my god!
You wanna go for the pee? Nah, I didn't think so. And
What sucker, dude?
He lived at Graham's. We were friends. I'm trying to tell you. You are a fox. Funny.
Oh.
It's not that serious.
I'm terrified. You shouldn't be up there, should you?
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
oh my god!
Come on, dude. I'm not doing nothing. Get up.
No, a stick.
Marley, what do you think you're doing? No.